अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
क्या हाल है आपके?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक।
हम
अ,
आप के बात करेंगे।
नहीं, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था। कैसी हो तुम?
ठीक हूँ। हाउ इज योर रोजा, डिड फास्ट?
या
ओह गुड।
सरप्राइजिंगली बड़ा अच्छा गुजरा है यार, मुझे नहीं फील हुआ बिल्कुल भी।
हम्म।
बट आई वेंट फॉर बाइक राइड half an hour before, actually 40 minutes before the roza, and
ओके।
I didn't feel it. It was really nice. बारिश हो रही थी।
हम्म।
तो बाय द टाइम जब मैं निकला हूँ उस वक्त बारिश हो चुकी थी। बादल एक साइड पे बिल्कुल वो काले वाले बादल थे, एक साइड पे सूरज था। इट वाज रियली
ओह।
ब्यूटीफुल।
उफ।
रेनबो एंड स्टफ, इट वाज रियली नाइस।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी
हाँ।
नाइस जोई, वेरी नाइस।
तो रबिया कैसी हैं आप, और आपका पहला रोजा कैसा गया?
मेरा पहला रोजा बस चला गया।
अच्छा।
हाँ, मैंने नहीं रखा।
अच्छा, नहीं रखा क्यों?
नहीं।
खैरियत?
रखेंगे अभी बस थोड़े दिन के बाद।
अच्छा।
हाँ।
और मुझे ये बताएं कि आपका क्या आजकल लॉकडाउन की वजह से क्या आपका, व्हाट इज योर स्केड्यूल लाइक, व्हाट इज योर रूटीन लाइक? आई मैं देखता रहता हूँ आप योगा शोगा कर रही हैं आजकल।
हाँ, योगा's been a real life saver काफी, because you can do it yourself। आप खुद ही अपने घर में एक मैट बिछा के कर सकते हैं। तो काफी कन्वीनियंट रहता है। बट
हम्म।
वो करते करते मैंने अपने एल्बो को थोड़ा सा डैमेज कर दिया है। तो अब आई एम रेस्टिंग for a couple of weeks. It's golfer's elbow. I don't know. Something happened. I pulled something, so the inner side of the elbow is like really bad. So just doing meds and all, 2 हफ्ते तक नहीं करूंगी एक्सरसाइज, फिर I'm gonna resume। और बाकी कुछ नहीं यार, I've been cooking and stuff, trying to find new things to do in the house, you know, so just that।
लॉकडाउन में डू यू गेट एंजाइटी, डू यू गेट आपको थोड़ा वो होता है परेशानी, डिप्रेशन टाइप?
I'm getting
काफी
anxiety right now। Yeah।
काफी लोग, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर गोइंग थ्रू इट।
Yeah, of course, but the I think उसमें भी बचत की बात ये है कि we're all in this together, you
या
know। It's not like anybody else is in a different situation। सारे एक साथ ही हैं इसमें। बस वही चीज है कि हमारे लिए ज्यादा आसान है शायद घरों में रहना।
या
यू नो, वैसे ही माशाल्लाह से हमारे, यू नो, we're better off, but people who are struggling are the ones जो कि अगर नहीं करेंगे 1 महीने काम तो वो कहाँ जाएंगे। So that is really kind of depressing me these days when I have to step out or something and I see लोगों की हालत काफी स्ट्रेस में है पूरी दुनिया। तो बस यही है। बाकी we're out of the fortunate ones, I think, जो आराम से घरों में बैठे हुए, you know।
या
Yeah।
रबिया, अच्छा, एक मेरा अपना पर्सनल सवाल है, अब शुरू से शुरू करते हैं। आई रिमेम्बर फर्स्ट टाइम सीइंग यू when you did Ziba Khana, and because I was an aspiring filmmaker back in the day, और मैं और उससे पहले we were planning on making our own teen slasher film। और बहुत मुझे बचपन से शौक था हॉरर फिल्म्स बनाने का, तो मैं हम लोग उस वक्त ट्राई करे थे, ट्राइंग फॉर फंडिंग और ये वो। और हमें पता चला कि एक पाकिस्तान की दोबारा, बिकॉज उस वक्त फिल्म्स वही वाली बन रही थी, गंडासा फिल्म्स।
हम्म।
तो हमें ये पता चला इस्लामाबाद में एक फिल्म शूट हो रही है, एंड इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक द गंडासा फिल्म, इट्स अ हॉरर फिल्म। और मतलब दैट जस्ट रियली इंट्रीग्ड अस। एज रजा, I don't know if you've met Raza Shah.
I have, of
It's
course,
my
yeah,
friend,
yeah,
yeah. So
yeah,
I mean, we were doing filmmaking together back in the day. तो
yeah।
हम लोगों ने सुना, we were really excited. We were like, you know, कि क्या कैसे। And then the film released, और मुझे याद है उसके ट्रेलर जब आए थे तो मैं बहुत वो हो गया था। You know, I was so excited. And then I saw the film at Islamabad Club.
हम्म।
Islamabad Club में the film screened, or I saw you guys, and I was starstruck. I was like, it's true. Because we were like, oh, because I want to do a horror film, and I wish I could do this, and I wish these people could act in my short and everything, my
Yeah।
feature. And from there, you did a lot of TV, and you did a lot of dramas, and
Hmm.
you know, ads and stuff. And then you suddenly disappeared. Why? And you're modeling and everything, and then you disappeared. Why?
I didn't disappear. I've always been around. I haven't really, मतलब उस तरह की disappearance तो नहीं थी. लेकिन हाँ, I did kind of take a little bit of a step back. I did not, because there came a point where with dramas, I'm sure you're familiar with this. ड्रामों की स्क्रिप्ट्स जो हैं वो बहुत ही मतलब मुश्किल से आपको ऐसी कोई स्क्रिप्ट मिलती है जो कि आपका दिल से दिल चाहता है करने का, you know. So unfortunately that wasn't happening at the time, so I got kind of put off by acting, even though I love acting and stuff. But for a little while in there, I guess a year or something, I didn't feel like going on set or dealing with you know, because acting is something that I'm passionate about. It's something that I want to enjoy.
And I know how good of an actor you are. I mean, a lot of people, I don't know if they agree or not, I feel like you haven't been, like your acting talent hasn't been explored the way it should be. Because I worked with you. We did our first theater play together.
Yeah.
And then I worked with you on Asaki, on Bench, and I know how much raw talent there is inside you. And I know an actor, any actor, if he's an actor, he could be molded in any way possible. It's up to the director. It's up to the fellow cast members. And you have so much talent, and I know that. Because
Thank you.
My problem is, I hate वो जो acting होती है ना, जो सांस भर भर के और ये वो के वो रुक के pause देना और ये वो, it's too dramatic acting. I want my actors and I want my fellow actors to be very natural, you know, like they're actually talking, you know, they're not reading a script of a film or a drama, you know.
Yeah.
And with you, you know, I get that every time, and you every time you surprise me. Because I remember in Asaki, the biggest problem was for everybody, the accent, you know? And I was like, Patani, if, you know, accent ka hum log kaise karenge? Because we didn't want to sound like Karachi or Islamabad ke actors rangad bolne ki bahut buri koshish kar rahe hain, you know? I wanted to, you know, feel like it's coming from, you know, an actual person who's brought up and grown up in this, you know, environment, and he speaks that language on a regular basis. And when people watch the film, they go like, how did you guys pull off this accent? And especially about you, because
you know why? Acha, let me tell you something really funny. कि वो तुमने इतना ड्रिल करके याद करवाया था 5 दिन पहले से या 2 हफ्ते पहले से कि अभी तक, like if we do a back and forth right now, I remember the whole scene. Like I wouldn't forget it ever.
A lot of people don't have it. I've worked with so many people as a director, and there's so many people you want to direct, but नहीं होता कुछ लोगों से, you know.
I mean, I don't want to वो पुल बांध रहे हैं एक दूसरे की तारीफों के, but you're one of the best people that I've worked with.
But my point, I'm coming to the point. Secondly, in Bench, you surprised me, honestly speaking, because the kind of acting you did in Bench is something that I honestly did not expect. Because Bench is slightly more mature than Asaki or anything that we ever did. You know, it's very subtle. You don't have to make like, you don't have to show off big emotions to convince people or to tell the story. It's a very subtle storyline. It's a very subtle script. And you impressed me. And honestly speaking, whoever's seen the film, very few people have seen the film. It's not out, but jin logon ne dekhi hai, most of the people said we cried by the end of it because Rabia's acting was so good.
Aww.
Because you're the protagonist of the film. So it's amazing how good you are. And now coming to the point, I hate it when I don't see you on TV. I hate it when I don't see you on doing a film, because you deserve much more, you know. So
that's so sweet of you, Joey.
I really want to know, why are you not doing it?
Well, I really don't have an answer for you except that तुम लोग सारे ड्रामे कर रहे हो, मेरे लिए कुछ छोड़ा नहीं. I'm kidding. नहीं यार, I think it's a whole. I don't know. You have to stay in the network, I guess, and I don't know how. I've been around for as long as Zilwa Khan. But I still haven't figured out कि ये क्या scene है. मतलब I'm not a difficult person to work with. I guess I don't know. Sometimes I feel like maybe it has to do with the stereotypes that people have, over here. And the kinds of girls that get the important characters or whatever are usually those characters which are demure. उनकी आवाज भी थोड़ी sweet सी पतली सी होती है और थोड़ी अदा भी इस तरह. So maybe that's, I mean, I don't know. I myself am as clueless as you are as to why I don't get, why I haven't gotten or seen like a good TV script in a while. But बाकी coming back to short films का ये फायदा है कि अब इधर जिस तरह आपको लाइनें अपनी बोलनी होती हैं, लगता है जैसे आप थर्ड पर्सन में एक्टिंग कर रहे हो. Like you're kind of breaking the wall also because you're trying to explain something to the audiences because you know that अगर subtly आपने कुछ किया तो किसी को समझ ही नहीं आना. So I think that's a special thing about shorts and film in general. The bigger screen, so to speak. So, I mean, I have gotten a few very interesting projects in this last year. Film projects, the Bench thi, obviously Bench is a major part of it. So I was very happy कि ये हो रहा है, and then suddenly, obviously, this thing happened, so we're all sitting at home. But I guess, I don't know, जिस तरह का काम मुझे अभी मिला है the last year, I think उसी तरह का काम ही करना चाहिए मुझे. So I'm kind of, encouraged also because of these projects, including Bench, including the Window movie. We did another one called 19 Film, Hamza Bangish directed it. So these are the kind of projects that have really inspired me to act again,
Okay, now talking about the Window, please tell a little about the film to the people who are watching. I'm also very curious what the film is about because
I didn't tell you anything about it.
No, you haven't. And the cast looks really nice.
Oh yeah, cast does. No, yeah, it's a movie. It's a feature. And ये जो है ये collaboration में बनी है with some producers that are working in Hollywood currently. But yeah, when I say Hollywood, I don't mean like a blockbuster Hollywood film, but Hollywood has a lot of different tiers also,
Right.
So it's a story about basically it's a rural story. Rural area की story है और उसके characters obviously belong to that क्या कहते हैं class, and it is basically about a lot of issues that women face in those kinds of places because our majority of women, because we think कि हम empowered हो गए हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास अपने घर के बुर्के हैं और हमारे गाड़ी के बुर्के हैं और हमारे रेस्टोरेंट्स के बुर्के हैं, तो हम जो हैं वो empowered चल रहे हैं और country जो है वो बिल्कुल ही औरतें रूल कर रही हैं. लेकिन in most areas that's not the case. Women are still going through terrifying situations, circumstances. The men in their own family are out to hurt them in case they hurt your इज्जत पे अगर बात आ जाए. तो basically it's about that.
One of the biggest problems that we have in this country, dowry, honor killing,
yeah.
These are really big problems.
So it's sort of like honor killing is the karakari honor killing, that kind of a thing is the theme of it. And fantastic actors, very interestingly shot. It has a bit of VFX and stuff in it, which obviously because of that I can't really tell exactly how the film is looking.
और इस फिल्म में है कौन? Can you tell us the cast?
There's Farhan Tahir. There is Sohai Abro, the dancer. So Sohai, there are two Sohais. Then there's Sami Khan,
Okay.
Angeline Malik,
Okay.
and there is Faisal Qureshi as well. And who else? Yeah, that's about it.
Perfect. Any idea कि कब release हो रही है? Because of Corona, I know everything's just but
Yeah, so it was supposed to go for dubbing, as in Foley work and stuff. They were sending it to Turkey. So I think उसी के पहले कुछ रुक गया है सिलसिला. I haven't really caught up with क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं. But you tell me what's going on with Bench. How are these festivals going to happen? What's going to
जितनी
happen?
emails मुझे आई हैं कुछ festivals online करने का सोच रहे हैं और
Okay.
कुछ festivals जो हैं वो postpone कर रहे हैं जब तक ये ठीक नहीं होता कोरोना. तो
और कितने
अभी
पोस्टपोन कर रहे हैं और कितने
आई थिंक
ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं?
तीन फेस्टिवल्स का मुझे पता चला है जो ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं फेस्टिवल. बाकियों से
अच्छा.
आई हर्ड अबाउट वन जो पोस्टपोन हुआ हुआ है. बाकियों का आई डोंट नो. नो मेल नो.
तो ऑनलाइन वो लोग करेंगे कैसे फेस्टिवल्स? बस वो
आई
व्यूइंग
हैव
के
नो.
लिए?
आई थिंक
वाओ.
गिविंग के लिए या टू द मेंबर्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड टू द जूरी.
टफ टाइम्स.
Tough times, yeah. Um, Hello.